If you're watching this video, then you've probably wondered, how hard is the SAT actually? And you're not alone. Some parts are tough, and how hard it feels really depends on you, your prep, your pacing, and honestly, your nerves on test day. Most students struggle with the same things. The time pressure is real. You get less than 90 seconds per question, so it's easy to run out of time even if you know the material. And anxiety plays a big role too. A lot of students second guess themselves or freeze up on easy questions once the clock starts ticking. Then there's the adaptive format. If you bomb the first half, the second half locks you into a lower track, which caps your overall score. The math can feel very tricky with wordy problems and grid ends, and the reading and writing questions pack a lot of logic and grammar into tight, dense wording. But the new digital SAT actually has some perks. It's shorter, just over 2 hours, so you're less likely to burn out. And you can use a calculator on every single math problem, which is a huge stress reliever. The reading and writing passages are shorter, and they stand alone, so you don't have to juggle multiple questions on the same text. And the digital practice tests look exactly like the real thing, so you can prep with the same format that you'll see on the test day. The biggest mistake I see students making is skipping timed practice. They'll study the material, but when the timer's on, their pacing just falls apart. 9 times out of 10, it's not that they don't know the content, it's that they never trained under real test conditions. And you've probably heard that more schools are going test optional, but a strong SAT score can still give you an edge. It can help with scholarships, balance out a lower GPA, and make you stand out in competitive applications. So, how do you make the SAT feel easier? Well, start with full-length practice tests. When you review, don't just mark the wrong answers, figure out why they're wrong. Also, use a timer so pacing becomes second nature, and focus first on your weakest section because fixing that usually gives your overall score the biggest jump. I've tested a ton of prep programs, and some really do make a difference. If you're ready to get serious, check out the link in the description for the best ones that I recommend. I'm Mary Elizabeth from Crush the Exam, and remember, stress less, guess less, and prep smart. Follow me for more test prep tips.